Hi, amigas. Today I'm craving a bionico, but I'm broke and I don't want to pay $10 for a large one. So I'm going to pay a couple dollars and make enough for my whole family. So we're starting off with a papaya that, yes, it cost me $1 because it was over in the little overly ripe section. But they have a lot of fruit that's like ready to eat that day. So if you're not going to store it, just either cut it up and freeze it. So here's my papaya. Make sure you clean it, get all those little seeds out, chop it up into bite-sized pieces. My papaya was so sweet and so delicious. Make sure you guys taste your fruit before you put it in your fruit salad. You don't want any bitter or funky tasting fruit, okay? You want your fruit to be sweet and plump and delicious. All right, now we grabbed a mango. The mangoes were 2 for $1. Again, they were in the ripe section where the fruit is like ready to be served for that day. Sometimes it's bruised, so always get an extra mango. I ended up getting $2 worth, and the first mango I cut looked good. Now we're grabbing a cantaloupe. These cantaloupes were $2. So far we've spent $4 on cantaloupe, and we spent it on mango. All right, the cantaloupe is super sweet. Make sure, again, you clean it. The tip to cantaloupe is to smell the outside of the cantaloupe and make sure it doesn't have any soft spots. And if it smells like cantaloupe on the outside, it's ready to eat. At least that's always worked for me. Now we're going to cut up some strawberries. This was the most expensive part of my little fruit haul. I actually paid $2.99 for the strawberries, for the whole 1 pound little thing. I already had the apples, but I bought them there as well, and their apples are always like super affordable. Any apple type, the Red Delicious is what I use, or the Cosmos Crisp, those are like what I like, are always 59 cents a pound. So I always get apples there. Kiwis, because they were on sale, 3 for $1. Didn't matter, they were all look the same, so I just grabbed the 3 for $1. And there we are. So far, how much have we spent? I already had bananas, so make sure you have not overly ripe bananas, like even underripe bananas, because they're a little bit more tart. I like that for my fruit salad. So throw those in. If you're going to make this for the next day, do not add the apples and bananas until the day you're going to serve it, because they'll turn brown. Now we're going to make the crema for bionico. It's half a cup of sour cream and a whole can of lechera, and we're going to mix it until it's well dissolved. You're going to add a little capful of your vanilla, any vanilla you like. I use the Molina. That's my favorite. It tastes like Molina. All right, now we're going to toast up some pecans and walnuts and start making our bionico. So we're going to start off with a good hearty amount of fruit. This whole bowl made 6 bionicos, large bionicos. A good amount of the cream, some sweetened coconut flakes, granola, because yes, or you could use cereal, whatever your favorite cereal is, or your kid's favorite cereal is. Now we're gonna do the pecans and walnuts that are toasted, and sprinkles just to make it look cute and fun. This was delicious. My family loved it. I think it cost me less than $10 to make enough for the whole family, where that would have cost me way more. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.